You mentioned AI just now as well, and I wanted to get to that as well, and get back to the predictive aspect we've been talking about, and how AI based methods and particularly machine learning help here. So, as we did talk about it a little bit, but I doubt any marketer would disagree with the idea that more good data is a good thing. But there's several aspects to collecting, measuring, analyzing, and ultimately utilizing that good data. So where do you think the biggest disconnect is currently for marketers in the enterprise amongst those areas of, collecting, measuring, analyzing, and utilizing? And, is it getting better, or is more data simply making the problem more difficult to solve without the right tools?
Yeah, I think the biggest disconnect for marketers in especially in the enterprise often lies ability to effectively collect, analyze and even utilize the data they collect. A couple common challenges, as I mentioned earlier, data quality actually is a big challenge for a lot of companies because there are so many marketing applications, and not all those marketing applications would produce high quality data. That's number one challenge. Number two is data integration, how marketers can bring all this data from various sources, such as CRM systems, social media, websites, email. The applications are very fragmented, and that's really the second challenge. The third one would be infrastructure. Analyzing large volume data from all these data sources, and also we a lot of companies don't have the talent and the experts to be able to utilize the data they collect from all those various data sources. And then the last two things I'll mention quickly is the data literacy, because marketers traditionally are not really data driven. So how can we, as a data professionals, to educate and enable marketers to be data driven is really important. And then, as we all know, data privacy and compliance are quite important as well. How the data being used for different marketing purposes, really, really critical. I want to give a quick example.
Yeah.
My team, actually Snowflake, we built a marketing intelligence navigator, which this application does is it scans through over 100 marketing dashboards and more than 13 Streamlit applications. And what it does is brings all of these dashboards and applications into one UI, where our marketers can really figure out what are the top 5 or top 10 relevant dashboards applications that are relevant to me. And then the underlying technology, we use something called Snowflake Cortex. It's an AI product Snowflake announced last year to really provide, and this app really provides personalized recommendations on data products my team built, and just make the navigation much easier without asking question or asking anyone. It just provides a personalized recommendation.